Hello, Saxo friends. Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach. Now, do you have a music stand that you use during your practice sessions? By the way, what kind of music stand do you have? Share with us in the comments below. Now, if you don't have a music stand, why do you need one? Well, if you're learning to sight read or if you play music that requires you to sight read, then you need a music stand. In addition, it could serve the purpose of giving you easy accessibility to all your sheet music, your practice planners, and so on. Now, there are just a few differences between these two music stands that I'm showing you here. One stand is heavier and the other very lightweight. Now, I've owned both of them. And when I decided to move abroad, I gave away the lightweight stand, and when I reached the country in which I now reside, I bought this heavyweight music stand. Simply put, I'm not moving about and I can place multiple music books and sheet music on it without worrying about it toppling over. This lightweight music stand is especially suitable for traveling. So if you are going to rehearsals, going to a friend's house to practice, or a gig that requires it, then this featherweight music stand is definitely your go-to. Just fold it up, tuck it in its case, and off you go. It's also suitable for holding very lightweight books and sheet music. It weighs roughly 2 pounds or 0.9 kilograms, and the adjustable height range from 26 to 40 inches. That's 66 to about 101 centimeters. Now, this heavy-duty professional music stand is heavier and less suitable for traveling, of course. So if you are stationary, then using this music stand would be more ideal for such circumstance. It can serve dual purposes as well. It can serve as a music stand and it can serve as a book table. This sturdy music stand can also hold more weight than its counterpart. The height adjustment is between 23 to 48 inches or 58 to 109 centimeters. Now, the plate of this sturdy music stand is also detachable for storage purpose. So eventually it will boil down to your preference and budget as well. The sturdy music stand will cost you $40, while the featherweight stand will cost you a little less than a half of the aforementioned $18.95. So if you're interested in any one of these music stands, I've provided the links in the description below. As always, Saxo friend, push, play until something happens. Peace.